work is really at the interface between chemistry, sure, and physics and optics. I straddle that thin line between the three topics, and in particular, a topic that we really care about is how to control electrons in matter with and electronic properties and dynamics with ultrafast laser sources. Let's see, I'm from Colombia, originally from Bogota, so 2,650 meters above sea level. So very high up in the mountains. I grew up in a family of educators. I was always the scientist in the sense that I had a very strong, and I still do, desire of understanding how the world around me worked. Let's see, I care a lot about science, and when I'm not doing science, I enjoy time with my family, making lavish meals and taking long bike rides through Rochester and the Finger Lakes. So I was fascinated by the ideas of quantum control early on, and still are. And that led me to a PhD with Paul Brummer in the University of Toronto. And the topic that Paul proposed was to do laser-induced currents along nanoscale junctions. And so we work in that direction, and this laser-induced symmetry breaking. So you see, I'm still working on my PhD topic. And then eventually, when the experiments emerged, the experiments were done with very few cycle laser pulses, no? And the control was due to the subcycle structure of light that led to attosecond control of electron dynamics. So that was so, and that experiment, Ferenc Krauss, like this is what led me to this connection with the attosecond community. But I mean, I think we're all excited by the fact that we are able to explore the fastest timescales in nature. No, we're really able to push the boundaries of what we can observe, and I think that's a very strong pull in this community. But another one that is fascinating to me is that some of the best papers in this community are collaborations between theorists and experimentalists, in which theory guides experiments and challenges experiments, and then experiments challenge theory, and there is this back and forth. And I think this is the way that the best science happens, and is very prominent in the attosecond community.
Is there any message you would like to leave to our audience?
We always have dreams, and we have scientific dreams, and enacting those dreams takes time, and it could be many years, it could be decades, no? And you just need to persevere, have that dream and that goal of what you want to accomplish, and then keep pushing in that direction and make it happen.